Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. So today we are going to learn how to create a to-do app in Vue. So here you can see that here we can add any of the to-do. So test 1, so test 2, this is my to-dos, right? Test 3, okay. So if I go to delete the test 2, it deleted test 1, deleted, and this. So how we are going to do this in your Vue app? Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code for the to do. So you have to directly add this into your view app view, or you can create a separate component and call it in the view app. Okay. So currently I'm just using the main file, that is app.view. So here we have the to do part. Okay. So this is the template where we are adding the HTML code. Okay. So first one, we have a heading, that is to do app. Okay. Then we have a form. Okay, this is basically the form where we have an input and the button. So first line is basically for the input. Let me word wrap. This is basically input. So and the model is new to do. So whatever the value in the to do, so here we have the new to do. By default it's blank. Okay, so so for the like the values, we use the view model, and the on key up enter, there is a function called add to do. Okay, so add to do is coming over here, right? And it's basically doing is that is pushing the values into the array. So basically to do is empty array, and just we are pushing whatever the this dot new to do we have. New to do, so new to do basically coming from this here, right? So whatever the value of the input, that is and in the new to do. Okay, so new to do will push the values into the to do's, this to do dot push. So basically it's just adding the values to the array. So by default array is empty, and whatever the value of this input we are adding, on a click of this add button, this value is pushed into this to do array. So that is the add function. Okay, so here we have that's all go into the script section, and they have the some of the predefined objects, that's the data whatever they have to return, and this initialization of the values. Then we have a methods where we have to add all the functions like add to do, remove to do, update to do. So we have in the methods we have to write all of these things. Okay, and the last one, that is remove to do. So in the remove to do, what we are doing, so basically this is a ul part where we are just whatever the data we have pushed into the array, just we have using the for loop and to do and the index, and just loading the to do part. And here we are giving him the button for the deleting the to do. So we are passing the index of that, on which index it is, whether it's to be a one index, two index, or three index, and it will accept the one index and just splice that from the arrays. So this dot to do's, we have just splice it that index and show the rest of it. Okay, so this is how, this is the code for the to do part. So I think you understand what exactly we are doing. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.